Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the AMD driver not supported with your GPU or not compatible with your graphic card that you install on your motherboard. So there are some there are some causes. Maybe your GPU is not detected. Make sure your GPU is detected on your BIOS. And maybe your GPU is you purchased a used GPU that for mining before you purchase it. So for a mining GPU, you can install the driver, not the Adrenaline or not the NVIDIA. You can search on the internet how you can download the mining GPU driver. But if your GPU is like the old or legacy, you can download the driver, not the newest one but the legacy one, the classic one. For example, this is I had AMD. Talk about AMD right now. So usually it's in connection with the error 182. AMD software installer detected AMD graphics hardware in your system configuration that is not supported. So possible cause: embedded AMD Radeon graphics, legacy AMD Radeon graphics, and customized AMD Radeon graphics for OEM systems. So this is the solution from the AMD. For the embedded AMD Radeon graphic, you can visit AMD driver and support, and here you can select your graphic, scroll down and search Radeon embedded. Click it, select your GPU series. You must know your GPU series. For example, HD 5770 embedded. Click it and submit. Here choose the operating system and download this AMD embedded GPU and APU and so on. Here download, not the Adrenaline one. Next, for the second cause, this is the legacy AMD Radeon graphic. This is very important and very often encounter this error, because the legacy AMD Radeon graphic not use the latest version, not use the Adrenaline one, but use the Catalyst one. So if your GPU is listed here, AMD A series, Athlon, Sempron, APU, R9 Fury, R7, R5, and HD series, and this is for the mobile series if you have one in your laptop, and also this is the APU. So you need download the legacy one. Back to driver and support. Here you can select your graphic or processor and try to search legacy graphics. Click it, search your Radeon series, and here still ATI, not the AMD. This one, submit and choose the operating system, and this is the Catalyst software suite. So you need to download this, not the Adrenaline one. And last is the OEM system. If you have AMD Radeon graphics in all-in-one PC, for example, because this is the OEM, you need to go to the official website manufacturer. So you can see the AMD partner here, and inboard original equipment and system builder configuration here, and try to search a partner here and go to the official website in order to download the driver or the firmware. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the